Lord has spoken with me, blessed people. He took me into heaven. The Lord Almighty took me into heaven. He has been taking me into heaven these past 2 days. And today the Lord took me into heaven and He gave me the leaves of the tree of life. And those leaves flourished in a very tremendous manner, unbelievably, at different levels, and super green, and as if you have these leaves which you have fertilized, and you have given all the nutrients, and they are kind of green, healthy, and gloriously also, as if the green is deep green and glossing and all that kind of beauty at different levels. The Lord is saying that He has increased the anointing that He has placed on His servants, that He has placed on me to bring healing and restoration to you, the nations. That is the bottom line conversation there. And it's amazing at such a time when the earth is full of fakeness and all this kind of thing. The last days of the church age, this is when the Lord is saying He has increased the anointing, He has given me the leaves of the tree of life. So during this time, I'll be decreeing healings, and then cripples will be getting up, blind, deaf, mute, every kind of condition. The leaves blossomed amazingly. They flourished in a very historic manner, shocking way. And all that is for one purpose. God longing that your soul enters heaven. God longing for your heart to prepare you for the coming of the Messiah, that you may not miss that day. So thank you. The Messiah is coming. Thank you.